This is my initial setup before I burn. Here's a close-up view of the stack. I put some longer stuff in that goes all the way to the bottom. There's the pot. There's actually 2 quarts of water in that pot, and that was part of the experiment, was to burn that. Here is my fire lay before I light it. I did have a little bit of difficulty lighting it. I used some napkins, had plenty of smoke, and after numerous matches and several minutes, I finally had some fire started on the top. And there it is. You can see I used up some matchbooks, only had a couple matches left. I went ahead and put the pot on in spite of the smoke, so it could go ahead and get as much heat into that water as possible. And then I basically took a picture of it every 3 minutes afterwards. There you can see my tall sticks burning. Still some smoke. Still some smoke. I think there was more smoke because of the width of the pot. You don't get good updraft when you have a pot that's actually bigger than your fire. It's getting better though. That's pretty well smoke free, and everything had finally caught. And here's a movie of it. A little bit of smoke, and I'm going to zoom in and you can kind of see small bubbles popping at the top, and that's about the best I could do on boiling the water. I never got that rolling boil. Now I'm back to taking a picture. I thought it was interesting that my pine, the long pieces, didn't burn down as fast as I figured they would. And they're still there and still going. And then they flash up, and I'm coming up on another brief video, like 4 seconds, and you can actually see it burning. Well, it's not the best quality there. Oh well. You can see the steam coming out of the top. Now I'm back to the fire. And ashes. At this point, I took the pot off a few minutes and I reloaded it. I put in something very thick. You can kind of see it in the back and the middle. And it smoked like crazy. And I let it smoke for a few minutes. And then I blew on it. As you can see, the smoke got remarkably less as it recaught. And there it is, burning just about smoke free. You can see the big piece there in the middle, still up there. And a little bit later on. And there we go. And you can see the bigger piece now falling down as it progresses during the burn. This is just about the 1 hour point, and my next slide's the last one. I let this burn for at least an hour, and then I kind of took a picture, and that's the end of it.